Indigo Bunting here, and today I'm going to do a quick video on how to change the magazine release lever on a Glock. This particular one's a Glock 17 Generation 3. They're all pretty much the same. So first, we'll take down the gun after we check to see that it's empty. Okay, so already I've put on the extended takedown lever and extended slide release / slide stop. So here's extended magazine release. It's a little bit of plastic, and this one's kind of tricky to get at. We're going to be going after this little spring. Try to get it on camera. Down in here, right there. So you're going to want a fairly long screwdriver, and it's kind of tricky to wiggle that out of there. So what we're doing is this little channel right here is where that spring goes into. So we need to push it to the side and get it to wiggle it out of this little opening to free up the piece from the frame of the gun. And there we go. And the piece comes right out. So here we have the old and the new one. So it sticks out a fair amount past the old one. A lot of people don't like the extended magazine releases. That people have had problems bumping them when they're firing two-handed or just carrying it on an inside the belt holster. But I'll try it out and see how it goes. To get it back in, this spring has now returned to its position and is now in the way. So we're going to put the lever part way in. Then we're going to have to hold that spring out of the way for the lever to get past. And then you can just slide that spring back into its little notch. And there you go. We can put the gun back together. See how it works. So there it is. It sticks out quite a ways from the frame of the gun. But it is a lot easier to get to without having to change your shooting grip. If you've got a short thumb, like I do, the factory one was just a little bit hard and I would have to twist my hand around to depress that. So I'll carry it like this for a little bit, and if I don't like it, I'll switch back, or maybe I'll even modify this one. So there you go.